Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can close your account on Perplexity AI permanently in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Perplexity AI, for example via Google Chrome or any other web browser, and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Next you will need to navigate to your profile or your account by clicking into it here in the bottom left and by selecting Account Settings. Here inside your account settings, you will find the option to close your account. Here in the account settings, just at the bottom, next to delete account. Now guys, what you want to do is click into learn more here to the right. And after that, you'll be redirected to that notification here. Just bear in mind guys, that usually this can't be undone. However, it will be, once you confirm that by clicking into this button, it will be temporarily deleted for 30 days. And after that time has expired, it will be deleted permanently. And after that, as you can see, this won't be, it won't be possible to retrieve the account anymore with all the associated data, including your search queries and tasks and threads and everything you have created. So guys, only click into this button. I'm not going to do this. I would like to keep my account if you really want to do this. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.